Apple acknowledges iPhone 14 Pro camera issue. Fix coming next week. Just the other day, we told you that some iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max users were experiencing a strange issue when filming videos using third-party apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and TikTok. These phones would make a strange grinding noise, while at the same time, they would start shaking. This appeared to be related to the optical image stabilization (OIS) feature that keeps videos looking steady, even when recorded with shaky hands. Which allows the camera sensor to move to offset the unsteady hands of an iPhone user. Though 48MP camera used on the Pro models, Apple uses its second-generation sensor shift OIS. iPhone 14 Pro series users affected by the issue were hoping for the best-case scenario, which was for the problem to be software-related, since a fix would require a simple update to be pushed out. Today, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman released a tweet stating that Apple had found a fix for the shaking camera issue and will release an update next week. With the bug impacting the recording of video on the two iPhone 14 Pro models, videos were coming out looking shaky, blurry, and basically unwatchable. The update will most likely be released as iOS 16.0.2. This will be the second post-release update issued for the iPhone 14 line, after iOS 16.0.1 fixed several issues, including one that prevented users from connecting to an open Wi-Fi network. The iOS 16.0.1 update also exterminated bugs found in two important in-house Apple apps, video chat app FaceTime and the iMessage messaging app. If your iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max has been experiencing the aforementioned shaking and grinding noises, it is best that you avoid using the camera to record a video until after Apple drops the update. That's because the shaking motion and the grinding could lead to permanent hardware damage that just might require a more complicated fix than a software update. You can keep checking to see if the update has arrived on your iPhone 14 series model by going to Settings General Software Update.